Today, we're diving into the world of mixology with the Barillio Bar Tool Set Pro Edition, your ultimate companion for crafting delicious cocktails right at home. This all-in-one bartender kit includes 32 sleek bar tools made from top-quality, rust-proof stainless steel, ensuring both elegance and durability for daily use. Whether you're a seasoned bartender or a home mixologist, this set has everything you need, from a Boston shaker and drink mixer to sophisticated essentials like a diamond mixing glass and ice muddler-mallet. With Barillio's design-patented barware, you'll be able to create any cocktail that comes to mind, impressing your guests with style and precision. Plus, you'll get access to the Happy Hour eBook, so you can explore new recipes and techniques wherever you go. Packaged in a super elegant box, this kit makes for an unforgettable gift for your loved ones, elevating their home bar experience to a whole new level. So, get ready to shake, stir, and muddle your way to cocktail perfection with Barillio's Pro Edition Bar Tool Set. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.